Alright everyone, I'm going to do a quick review and sound sample of the Black Widow full exhaust system on the XSR900 22 and 23 model. I've had it on for about 200 miles. I absolutely love the sound. It's really exactly what I was looking for. It's nice and punchy. It's got a deep idle. It looks phenomenal. Some people aren't a fan of the actual silencer can being kind of small in diameter. I personally like it. I like the little loop in the mid pipe. So let's go ahead and start it up. I just got home from work and I rode in on this thing, so it's nice and warm. So it was fairly easy to put together. The instructions were excellent, and I think I got this thing shipped to my door for a little bit over 500 bucks. So I think it was great. They have a couple different silencer options. I went with the stainless steel black with blue tip. They have a carbon fiber option as well, but I kind of wanted to keep it a little bit more retro, I suppose. But yeah, it's turning this nice golden color. Now it's getting some heat to it. But I've been extremely happy with it. This does come with 2 removable baffles. I currently have both of them in. I'll probably remove one and then the other some point in the near future, and then do a sound clip that way. But I figured I would just put this up so that everyone else can hear it and see if maybe this is something that you want to go with too. Thanks for checking in.